Hello friends, myself Dr. Mukundraj Baburao Patil, late Ramesh Varpudkar, Art Commerce Science College, Solbet. In previous lecture, we have studied absorption of water. The water is absorbed by the root hairs and then it is carried up to the xylem tissue, and through this xylem tissue then it is transported to the different regions of the plant wherever it is necessary. During this lecture, we will discuss about ascent of sap. Initially, we must know what is meant by ascent of sap. Ascent of sap is upward movement of water along with minerals from root hairs to the uppermost portion of the plant. What is ascent of sap? It is upward movement of water and minerals from root hairs to different plant parts. And to explain the mechanism of ascent of sap, different theories have been given by different scientists. Certain physical theories are there, certain vital theories are there, which were put forth by different scientists to explain ascent of sap time to time. But most accepted theory is transpiration pool theory. And we will discuss about transpiration pool theory in today's lecture. This theory was given by Dickson and Joly in 1894. Transpiration pool theory was given by Dickson and Joly in 1894. In this theory, 3 points are very important. Number one, cohesion and adhesion force of water. Second, water column. And transpiration pool. These 3 points are very important one as far as transpiration pool theory is concerned. What is meant by cohesion and adhesion force? Here, cohesion is the force of attraction between the two molecules of same substance. For example, these water molecules. The force of attraction between the two molecules of water, it is called cohesion. And what is adhesion? Suppose we have water in a beaker. The force of attraction between this water molecule and beaker molecule, it is called adhesion. That means the force of attraction between the two molecules of different substances, it is called adhesion. As far as transpiration pool theory is concerned, cohesive and adhesive property of the water is very important one to form a water column in the xylem vessels or xylem tissue. Due to adhesive and cohesive property of the water, it forms a complete column in the xylem tissue. And last one, that is the transpiration pool. What is transpiration? That is loss of excess of water in the form of water vapors through the stomata. In the last stage of transpiration, the water molecules in the form of water vapors, these are accumulated in the stomatal chamber. These are given out in the atmosphere through the stomata, due to which a suction pressure is created, which is also known as diffusion pressure deficit. And this diffusion pressure deficit or suction pressure is responsible for movement of water from its neighboring cell to the stomatal chamber. This suction pressure or DPD is nothing but the transpiration pull force. And this force is simultaneously applied on the neighboring cells. And this force, it will continue up to the water column, which is produced from the uppermost xylem cells which are present in the leaves up to the xylem tissue which are present in the root. And therefore this water column, it move forward. In this way the water is moving from lower portion to upper portion. We are using straw to suck water or cold drink from a bottle. We apply some force or we suck water, that means we are applying the suction pressure, which is very similar with the force which is produced here when water is evolved from stomatal chamber to the surrounding environment. And the column or water column which is produced in the straw is very similar with the water column present in the xylem vessels. Thus, transpiration pool theory, it states that the suction pressure which is produced due to the evaporation of water in the form of water vapors from stomatal chamber to the surrounding environment is responsible to pull water upward from root hairs. As far as different theories are concerned, as far as different theories of absorption of, as far as different theories of ascent of sap are concerned, transpiration pool theory is most accepted theory. Thank you.